No, but this is a little bit delayed.
Like I do.
I'm wearing dungarees, a My Little Pony t-shirt, and my vintage jacket.
Very culty.
You can see him. You can see him at the corner. You can see whoever passes in the corner. And we're gonna do a little mukbang, but when we got into the other train, okay? Only if we get onto the other train.
Which train?
The train back to Limerick. Oh, we're getting off now. Is the platform yet? Can you guys see?
There's a pressing train.
Wow.
No, yeah.
Okay. Am I in emote only mode? I might be. How do I turn that off? I can't turn off emote only mode. Oh no. Oh fuck. I have that on. Oh well. Oh well. I guess this is an emote only fucking stream. We're getting off now. I almost fell. We're getting onto the side.
Good up the stairs.
Oh, an adventure.
Oh, someone.
There's blood. Oh my goodness. Wow. Is that our train? Oh, that is our train. Oh, we got sorry.
You're going very good.
Yeah. In here? Okay. Here's your little seat. Perfect. We're on this train now. Damn, I wish I didn't have fucking emote only mode on. Can I turn that off?
I don't know what happened.
Hold on. This guy. No, do not replay. No. Motherfucker. Fuck, it's a Bosch. How do I get rid of him? Yeah. Here are my earrings. I'll show you my earrings. It's a bear. It's a motherfucking bear. Quite full. Quite busy. Okay guys, I'll show you today what we'll be snacking on. Hold on. Let me reach inside my magic bag. Oh. And as a drink, where is it?
Oh, you're back.
Wow. There's the drink. Oh, it's warm!
What is that?
I had to be, you know, I'm an entertainer, alright? It's warm though.
It's warm.
Gross.
Don't let it warm today.
It's flat. Why do you have tinfoil at the back of yours? I kind of have to pee.
Is there a bathroom in this room?
Should I go to the bathroom?
Where do you want
No, they'll hear me pee.
I think your train's like 25 minutes.
Maybe.
And then there's the bathroom in the station.
Mm-hmm.
Or let's go to the bridge.
No, I'll stop at the station.
Okay.
Your attention, this train service Limerick with connections at Limerick 461 Bridge, Ennis and Galway. Please stand your doors from the
Hi, Christian. Like, I don't want to talk really loud, but also, hello.
Put your headphones in if you want.
No, but like, my headphones don't have a mic or anything.
Oh.
It's just me. Also, I'm on fucking emote only mode, and I don't know how to turn it off.
What does that mean?
It means they can only use the emojis.
Oh, but let me send a message in.
Yeah, it only. Okay, guys, if you go on your phone, it'll let you send a message. Go onto your phone. Wow. Ireland.
It looks like sewing thread.
Look at those Timbles. Where are they? Those Timbles. Needles and threads. Do you guys live there? Oh. Yeah. We're moving now. Vroom vroom. Bitches know they can't catch me. Wow. So Saint-Tropez. So Saint-Tropez, guys. You can see this side of your jumper now. Oh, okay. Here are today's crisps. They're prawn cocktail. hide the double chin with the mask.
Alright, so I'll let you know anyway. There's no panic anyway. We want that we got
Meh. Meh.
it's not hard. There's a lane, so the thing we got the lane and it's walking on the train and it's all wobbling up and down.
Unless I've done it all wrong up there, huh? What?
Like Mars.
Who? Like who? I probably have it done all wrong now.
That's
okay,
I took a snapshot of the hotel back 2 weeks before I booked it.
Hey, Jose.
When I found that
Hello, Jose.
the address, the proper address, near
Jose's here.
and everything was
Is that
on
one of the flood?
body, you know, I had no class.
That's Chris.
I had to do my class, get my class finished up. Yeah, I'll bring it up.
My dumbass put on emote only mode on my computer, and I can't change it back because I'm not on my computer, and I'm sorry, guys. So
Hold up,
Did we stop?
yeah,
I don't know.
We're just gonna have 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay. One lovely talk today. Bye, bye, bye.
munch, munch, crunch, crunch.
Those rings and
Hi, Abrax. My regulars.
Because he doesn't stutter or something. He's like, no.
Abraxo cleaner. Abraxo cleaner.
Yeah.
Lauren Karen, 37.
Okay. I will continue my crisps. In Dublin today, we saw a man. He was bald, and he was wearing the tightest pair of dungarees I've ever seen.
I don't think this is you, is it?
That's an ad.
I was like, what are you doing?
I mean, you can type, can't you? You should try. An old woman is staring at me. An old woman is staring at us.
She's watching live.
I think she's watching the stream. POV, you're inside a packet of crisps. So we went to Dublin, we walked for ages, hated it, and I hate Dublin. Cancel Dublin. I'm cancelling Dublin, guys. I fucking hate it. It was so horrible. It was so bad. My friends, they went to a comic shop for like an hour.
We did not.
We did not. Because where? It was so not Saint-Tropez, guys.
Dean kept turning around and like, what does that mean, Leon?
He makes superhero references around us.
I think it was very clear to me. It's not Saint-Tropez.
Is it or is it not Saint-Tropez, guys?
I can't type.
You can type.
It's turn my phone on. If I was the train driver, it would be home. What are they called? Conductors?
Train inductors?
Conductors.
Choo-choo drivers?
Like electricity. You know?
Like electricity.
Conductors, like... you know,
Like magnetic force.
I should do physics.
I did.
Particles.
What else did we do in Dublin? We walked fucking 40 minutes to Dundrum. Disgusting. In the heat. In the heat. I'm wearing dungarees.
With a ginger.
In the heat. With a ginger. There was an American guy. And he was like weird ginger. Like, I'm good ginger. He was a weird ginger. And he was too tall to be Irish. To say he was Irish. And he's from San Jose. It all ties up.
You know what though? San Jose. So not San Jose.
So not Saint-Tropez. He wasn't so Saint-Tropez. My Wi-Fi is at 0 frames per second for some reason.
It's not bad.
And usually it's at 30.
Oh, with your 3G though.
Uh-huh. Oh well. Oh fuck, I bit my fucking lip. Oh,
I've never bit my lip before while eating.
really?
My tongue.
I bit like just inside there.
Oh.
So like my gum. This much left. I'll take a sip.
One for each viewer.
One for each.
The giveaways next week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if they succeed and know some September, I'll send them my bath water.
They've already lost. I've seen the DMs.
They have.
Just so they know.
Mm-hmm. It's like the 4th of September. They did. All failed.
All but the one who rejected you. What was his name? Chris?
Chris, he friend-zoned me. Chris friend-zoned me.
Chris, were you looking for a relationship?
He considered me. But he said he must be realistic in this life. And
You're
so,
not good enough for him.
no. No, I'm not.
You didn't meet Chris's standards.
And so whenever he says that he loves me, he says no homo at the end.
I love Chris. Chris is definitely messed up.
Probably. There's something in the middle of my screen. I can't tap on it. Oops. But here we are. Oh well.
It's pre-time in Dublin.
Pre-champs in Dublin.
Friends are in Dublin. She's beside Trinity. We should come up with her. You okay there?
I knew half of it went outside my mouth. There's a car. Finito. Finished. Finished. putting my mask back on. So yeah, guys, here we are. This is what Ireland looks like. And yeah. Wait, I'll be all romantic. How does that look? Does it look like Joker? You know that scene in Joker where like...
Oh yeah.
It's not dark enough. It has to be dark first. Did it get brighter? Yeah, it got brighter. Got brighter since moving into Monster. Since moving out of Tipperary. I always forget Tipperary exists, even though we're connected to it.
And all the good people are from there.
The good people?
Miss Dunn. That's it.
I just burped.
Wow.
Maria's typing. See if she texts you. See, now my thing is at 30. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, now it's at 24.
I left her and delivered 10 hours ago.
But hello. I almost fell on the Lewis.
While sitting.
While sitting, by the way, I almost fell. Very traumatic. All my friends were standing. I saw a seat. I took the seat. I wasn't standing. In my, like how I was in my condition.